Hello and welcome to this session on performing brake service procedure. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to understand the importance of wheel rotation and securing the eccentric position for effective brake adjustment. Identify essential precautions for brake testing, including checking engine serviceability, tire conditions and wheel components. Conduct a thorough examination of the vehicle including tire wear, pressure, wheel nuts tightness and lights and switches functionality. Use a panel board to simulate engine conditions.
Tools and equipments required: trainee's toolkit, jack, wooden block, vehicle. Materials required: cotton waste, soap oil, bleeding nipple, slack adjuster, grease. Let's start the session by tracking trouble in a brake system involves a systematic approach to ensure optimal performance. Begin by jacking up the wheels to clear the floor, allowing easy access to the brake components. Once elevated, loosen the eccentric cam of the leading brake shoe and, with the help of a wrench, turn it towards the front until the brake shoe contacts the drum. After the brake shoe and drum contact, rotate the wheel to ensure free movement. Then hold the eccentric in position and tighten the lock nut. Repeat this process for the reverse shoe, turning the eccentric towards the back of the vehicle. This adjustment must be performed on all four wheels for comprehensive brake turning. After adjustment, carefully remove the jack from each wheel. Once adjustments are complete, remove the jack and check brake pedal play to guarantee a proper response. Now, as a next step, start the vehicle and inspect the brake boot for balancing across all four wheels. Ensure equal brake effectiveness in each wheel to guarantee a balanced braking system. If the vehicle is equipped with hydraulic brakes, it is essential to bleed the brake system before adjusting. Additionally, ensure that the fluid level in the master cylinder is adequately maintained. Our next topic is to ensure the optimal performance and safety of a vehicle's brake system. Begin by examining the engine's serviceability and assessing its overall functionality and condition. Moving on, scrutinize the condition of all tires, emphasize equal wear across them, verify that the tire pressure adheres to specific limits, promoting proper traction and longevity. Now, shift your focus to the wheel assembly and examine wheel nuts for tightness. Assessing the integrity of these crucial components. Moving on, inspect wheel bearings to guarantee their smooth operation. Assess steering linkages for play within acceptable limits, ensuring responsive and controlled handling. Evaluate the suspension system serviceability to maintain stability and comfort during operation. Thoroughly check the vehicle's body fitting for security and integrity. Direct attention to the brake system by examining the brake pedal for free play and making necessary adjustments. Check the master cylinder for fluid level and potential leakages from the fluid line, addressing any issues promptly. Ensure a clean interface between the brake shoe and drum by verifying the absence of oil or grease. Next is for air brake systems. Systematically examine for any air leaks and confirm proper lubrication of brake linkages. Conduct a meticulous review of lights and switches within the vehicle, addressing any malfunctions. Access the functionality of the vacuum booster in vacuum assisted brakes, a critical component for enhanced braking power. It is important to use an engine panel board for simulation purpose. And the next step is to release the handbrake and check the vehicle's performance in motion. Further, assess the vehicle's braking effectiveness by applying the foot brake at 10 km per hour, ensuring a prompt response. Continue the same procedure to examine for high-speed scenarios, ensuring uniform braking effects across all wheels. Certify that the vehicle's brakes are roadworthy before issuing a brake fitness certificate for the vehicle.
Let's recap this topic. In this topic, you have learned that after the brake shoe and drum contact, rotate the wheel to ensure free movement that holds the eccentric in position and tighten the lock nut. Shift your focus on the wheel assembly, examine wheel nuts for tightness, assessing the integrity of these crucial components. Check the master cylinder for fluid level and potential leakages from the fluid line, addressing any issues promptly. Hope you have clear understanding of this. Do this exercise with help of your instructor. Thank you.